What's up? Welcome back to another episode of What's Up ICS. We're in another different location. In this week's episode, we're going to be learning some more about Mrs. Roush, Mrs. Hoekman, and we're going to learn how to master the microwave with Kayla and Heidi. Before that, let's get into the announcements. For announcements this week, there is a Pizza Factory and Bean Stores fundraiser on February 19th. There is no school this Friday, February 12th, and there is no school on the following Monday, February 15th because of President's Day. And we are holding our annual Penny Wars March 1st through 5th in honor of Caden and Brian. Now let's get to know a little bit more about Mrs. Roush and Mrs. Hoekman.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Roush. I teach first grade, and one of my first graders is Kayla Hartkoff. She has actually been with me for about a year and a half because I had her in kindergarten. She is such a fantastic student. She always comes to school with a good morning and a smile. She works really, really hard at whatever she does, even if it's a struggle for her. And she's very encouraging to all the other classmates. I have been very blessed that I've gotten to have her for the last 2 years.
Hola a todos, bienvenidos a mi clase. Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Yo soy la señora Hoekman y soy la maestra de español y historia. I am Mrs. Hoekman. I am the Spanish and Ancient World History teacher. I have the privilege of teaching Heidi, and I enjoy her enthusiasm for history and her willingness to investigate historical figures beyond our text to develop a richer narrative of the time period. Currently, Heidi is working on a research report about Cleopatra and her influence on the Roman Empire. Happy to have Heidi here at ICS.
Hi, my name is Kayla. And I have attended ICS since kindergarten. My favorite thing of first grade is hanging out with my friends and playing with them.
Hi, my name is Heidi and I've attended ICS since 4th grade and I'm in 6th grade. And the best part about being in 6th grade is that we have more freedom. So today we are going to be making Rice Krispie treats with a microwave. First you're going to want to get your bowl, butter, and your spatula. Next you're going to want to put about this much of butter into your bowl. While she's doing that, next we are going to put in as many marshmallows as you want into the bowl. You're going to want to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds.
While we're waiting for that, this is how it should look before you put it in the microwave. And just one marshmallow won't be enough.
And this is how big your marshmallows will get when it's in the microwave. So after you put it into the microwave, you are going to want to put the Rice Krispie treats in the bowl. So after you put your Rice Krispies into your bowl, you're going to take your fork or spoon and mix your marshmallows and Rice Krispie treats.
When it's all brushed out, you can start eating it.
And you want it to look something like this. Yum.
Yum!
Thank you so much, Kayla and Heidi. If you didn't know, Mrs. Hoekman is like the master of Rice Krispie treats, and she makes them every year for Valentine's Day for our class. So thankfully now Neither can make them at home. Well, that's all we have for this week's episode, but we'll see you next time on What's Up ICS.